you're looking to cash out this December, you are in the right place. Christmas in Nigeria is a time of celebration, food, but also the perfect opportunity to make some serious cash. And no, I'm not talking about anything unrealistic or complicated. I'm talking about practical, achievable side hustles that can put money in your pocket this season. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking for extra cash, you are in the right place. This video is for you. By the end, you will have actionable business ideas that will have you stake up your money to enjoy a dirty December. So grab a pen and let's dive in. I am Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, but most importantly, the lady about to put serious cash in your pocket this Christmas. On this our finance community, we're all about investment, side hustle, passive income. You like that kind of thing? Hit the subscribe button right away. Number one business idea or side hustle for Christmas period is festive product reselling. Have you liked this video? Please, if you are not, kindly hit that thumbs button. It means so much to me. Thank you. Have you liked it? Okay, so let's talk about festive product reselling. The demand for items like gift hamper, food items, Christmas decoration, children's wears, accessories, this is skyrocket during Christmas period. All you need to do is source this item from wholesalers or from big markets, package them well, and sell online through friends, through family, through associations. You can even use apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or even Facebook Marketplace. They are perfect for this kind of business. This business has high demand and can bring in quick cash for you. For hampers, target organizations always have huge demands for this, both for their staff, their partners. My organization, for instance, is an investment bank. We have over 100 staff. Where I used to work before, we have more than 1,000 staff, and I'm the treasury accountant back then. I know how much we spent on gift items during Christmas period, both for our staff, our partners, our suppliers. So these are usually gift items, or for like staff with 10 bag of rice, groundnut oil, tomato. Imagine being the one supplying these items. There is still time for you. So what you are going to do now, start looking for procurement manager, right? You can go to LinkedIn, start some organizations, go to their staff, look for the ones that are in admin or procurement. They are the one you should be talking to. Or even better still, ask your circle, ask your friends, their organization, who do you talk to for procurement? Because those are your people. One contract can make you a lot of money and even change your life beyond Christmas period. And the beauty of this is that once you develop the relationship, it becomes a year on year and you keep supplying them. Up next, on number two side hustles for December period is event and decoration services. Nigerians like to celebrate, especially during Christmas period, New Year Eve. If you have an eye for good design or organizational skill, you can offer event planning services to organizations, to associations, family gathering, or even house decorations for the season. In fact, end of the year party will soon start. This is where you start seeing different people, old school associations, offices, estates, streets, even churches. These are your potential clients. Start talking to them. Start from the ones you belong to. Don't worry if you don't have much experience. Most clients this period, they just want the basic, like setting up the table, decorating the Christmas tree, arranging Christmas lights. Breaking news, you don't have to be the one doing the work. Just gather the contacts, secure the contract, and then hand it over to efficient hands to do the work. This side hustles can bring in a lot of cash in short period. Number three on the 7 side hustles for Christmas period is food-based hustles like small chops, catering. Food is at the heart of any Nigerian celebration, and December is no exception. That's why food-based hustles like small chops are hot right now. If you are good in the kitchen or who knows someone who is, consider starting a small catering services for December period. There are going to be a lot of parties, family gatherings, and pastries like cakes, small chops are always required for these occasions. And even for families, people are always too busy. December is for enjoyment now, so they don't really have the time to cook. Sometimes they outsource this thing or they order online. Talk to people you think that can need services. In fact, talk to planners, event planners. They already have the jobs and are going to need catering service. Be the one to provide them that. Even if you start with small ones, estates and parties, this also can grow quickly and make you good money. Have you seen the one you like yet? Don't worry, we have 4 more side hustles and business ideas for you to choose from. And number 4, this is a personal one I have done, and I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. But before then, please, if you have not liked this video, kindly like, please. Thank you so much. Use that as Christmas gifts for me. Okay, so number 4 side hustle for Christmas is personal shopping. I don't know why a lot of people are not doing this. Let me tell you my story. The first time I came to Lagos, that was years back, That, I think I came in November. So the next year, trust Igbo gear now. So the next month, I was already looking for businesses and side hustles to do. So that was this, because when you come to Lagos, people outside Lagos, I was coming from outside Lagos, and I know how we see Lagos, like the big city, there are big markets, the Balogun markets, the trade fair market, all of these places. People outside Lagos are desiring to buy things from there because number one, you can see anything you are looking for, and number two, the prices are actually affordable. So when I came in, back then on Facebook, I was very active. I was like, okay, if you're outside Lagos or even in Lagos and you're too busy to do your shopping, the personal shopper is there for you, right? I had a lot of people reached out. I remember one particular one is a woman. I think she stays in a bar or something. So she needs me to shop for herself and her children. She had like 3 daughters then. So what we did, I entered the market. I would not be snapping different pictures and showing her. At a point, we even had to do Zoom call. No, not Zoom call. I think it was this WhatsApp video call or something where I was not showing her the items. She already gave me their sizes and everything. So if I'm not sure of what she would like, I would do a video call, snap pictures and send to her. And at the end, I think that time I was charging this about 10K pay, this, and I can't remember. And another thing is that go for people that we sell, like find the wholesalers. When the client is buying this thing for affordable prices compared to what they will see online, they're going to be very happy. And again, you know that online they have limited options, but in the market they're showing them everything. They're going to love you for this. So this is what I did. I didn't really do much, but I made a lot of money from the few clients I worked with. Many people are too busy to do their own Christmas shopping, be it grocery, food items, and clothing for their children. You can offer to be their personal shopper, helping them to get these things. Charge a small fee, and if you are lucky, you are in a city that has big markets. Maybe you are in Lagos that has Balogun trade fair, you are in Onitsha that has main market, or Aba, any city you are, you could utilize that to your advantage. This way, you can build up regular clients that can keep making you money even after Christmas period. Number 5 side hustle for Christmas is gift wrapping and packaging services. This one is simple but highly profitable. A lot of people buy gifts, but they don't have the time or creativity to wrap it beautifully. This is where you step in, my dear. All you need is wrapping sheets, cutting materials, and some YouTube videos on how to design professionally. Or you can do like I said before, secure the contracts and then outsource it to people that can do the work for you. Set up a small station or even offer mobile design services where you go to people's home, people's offices to do the stuff for them. Post pictures of the work you've already done on social media, and word of mouth is going to help you, spread your market for you. There is good money in this. We are gradually coming to my favorite one. Number 6 side hustle or business idea for Christmas is digital services like social media, graphics design. So for those that want to stay out of the hustle and bustle, entering the market to do shopping, digital services is for you. What are you good at? Can you design, social media management, create flyers, Facebook ads? Many businesses are ramping up their marketing for the festive period. Coaches are planning year-end and New Year courses, and they need help with content, promotions, design. If you have experience in any of these things, you can reach out to small business owners and offer your service for a fee. It is a remote work, it is flexible, and I can earn you income even beyond December period. And finally, number 7 side hustle for December, which is the one I am doing personally, is online courses and tutoring. So it's year end, right? Many people are looking to end the year strong by acquiring new skills or updating the skills they already have. If you have the skill in any area, be it in marketing, digital services, video editing, package it, whatever skill you have, package it. This is a good time to offer this service. For me, I started my own. In fact, this November, this week, the second cohort of our Wealth Builders Academy is starting. This is where I teach you what I know. I hold your hand. This is not just the one you watch video and go. No, this time around in the Wealth Builders Academy, I hold your hand to guide you through different investment opportunities. We start from the basics, right? How to create your personal income statement, how to build your budgeting, how compounding works. Now, how to invest in opportunities like foreign stocks, Nigerian stock, government bond, commercial paper, whatever investments. This is where I hold your hand. It is a side teaching like I do here on YouTube. This time around, I ensure that you do it. We partner with some investment banks, right, to guide you. Make sure you create this account, you do this investment, and you are well guided. Listen, if you've not been a part of this program where we get different amazing testimonials from our students, you should sign up. In fact, it is starting this week. You go to the link on the description or check for the pinned comment. I'm going to pin it there. Join us and end your year strong. This is the time that you get your money right, because next year year, we are not going to dull. But before that, we are going to end the year strong. And yes, that is my own side hustle for December, because a lot of people are jumping on the offer. We have hundreds of people in already. I want you in as well. I want to hold your hand, be your personal money cheerleader. You see, I'm teaching you what I know, and there is no big thing here. You can use Zoom, you can even use WhatsApp group to teach what you know. Just quick classes, impactful practical classes. You'll be amazed at the number of people that are willing to jump in. This one is soft money, oh. So there you have it, 7 practical business ideas that can help you cash out this period. See, let's make this particular December the most profitable one ever. Which one are you most excited to try? Which one do you want to try that is I didn't mention? Share with us in the comment. Let's learn from you. But then, if you need more business ideas or side hustles that you can start even beyond December, I'm going to do something for you now. I'll go to the description. I'll list some videos where I have shared amazing offers for you, amazing side hustles free of charge that you can start to make money from. Go to that video now. I'm going to meet you on those videos right away.